Yeah.
So in this video we'll be showing you how to change the cabin pollen filter. So it's quite difficult to get to, so you'll have to bear with us on this video. But basically you go under the passenger side and you'll see this box here. This is the fuse box. There's two screws, one here and one at the top. I've already removed the top one just for ease of the video. So with the Torx type screwdriver, remove the screw, and the fuse box will come out. It's hinged on this side, so you simply pull it towards the centre console and the whole thing can be moved out the way. So the next thing to do is you find this part up here. Now this part here, this is your air filter box. So it has two handles on it, one on this side at the front of the van and one at the back of the van here, which I've already removed. So once you've done those, you simply remove this case, which as you can see has a rubber on it which is sealed. As you can see, there's already leaves and stuff in it, which is what's been stopped by the filter. So the filter now just slides out. Because we're disposing of this, then take a note of the way it goes in. So you'll notice that it goes in narrow edge leading, and the holes are on the top of it and not on the bottom. So you simply take your new one. So here we're using a genuine one, and as I mentioned before, we've got the holes at the top. We simply slot this back into place and repeat the process in reverse. So filter in, put both caps on, pop the fuse box which has clips on this side, and pop the two screws in, and that's how you replace the cabin filter. Thank you for watching our video. Please have a look at our other videos to watch other tests and advice on the Vito W447.